Hello, everybody. Hope you're all doing well, staying healthy, and staying indoors. In this video, I'm going to share with you my tips and tricks for cleaning and disinfecting the right way. Also, stay till the end to learn how you can clean and disinfect without using any products. I totally understand that rubbing alcohol, peroxide, and other products are sold out and nowhere to be found, not even online. So now you might want to know, how do you clean without any of these products, especially disinfect? There's a way, and you gotta watch the video till the end to find out how. Let me show you the conventional way to clean. Put on your gloves and start cleaning the surface first. The surface needs to be cleaned before it needs to be disinfected. Here I'm using just a solution of Dr. Bronner's Castile soap with water. And I'm trying to get all the edges and all the nooks and corners, especially the handles, as you can see how I'm cleaning on the fridge. Next, I'm spraying the surfaces with a disinfectant. Now this disinfectant needs to stay on the surface wet for at least 5 minutes to be effective. This disinfectant is just hydrogen peroxide and water. As you might have noticed, I am using all non-toxic cleaners. In the clips, you can see that I'm pregnant and I also have a toddler. I do not want any disinfectants or cleaners that create more trouble for me in the future. Formaldehyde is an efficient disinfectant, but it's also a carcinogen. That's why I like to stay away from those ingredients. And on the CDC's website, you will see that rubbing alcohol and hydrogen peroxide, when used properly and in the right concentration, are just as efficient to disinfect and remove all the bacteria and viruses from these surfaces. In these next clips, I am showing you the magic tool. Yes, it's a steamer. It's a steamer that has a handheld attachment and also a floor attachment. We like to use this for disinfection and cleaning all at the same time. I actually like to keep the surface clean before I use the steamer, but it's up to you. It does a great job cleaning and mopping and scrubbing as well. This cleaner generates steam, and steam is usually 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That is a good high temperature to kill any bacteria and virus. You just have to keep it on the surface long enough so it has enough time to expose and kill the pathogens.